Hey guys, again, welcome back to my channel City. So, I'm back with my new video and it's regarding our IELTS exam review, that is 16 January 2021 IELTS text review. So, it's regarding the evening slot. Okay, my students given their exam by evening and I got good reviews from my students comparatively with the previous exams. So, let's start with the review section. So first we'll see regarding the listening section as usual. So in part 1, they got fill up type of question and it was easy only. Moving on to part 2, they got short MCQs along with selection of letters and it was also easy. And in part 3, they got large MCQs along with match the information type of question. It was in moderate level. And moving on to part 4, they got fill up type of question again and it was also easy. Part 3 and 4, the audio was little bit fast, but comparatively with the previous exams, the listening section was quite easy only. So hope you all will get good results, and regarding the answers I will update one video as soon as possible. So if you are confident with your answers means you can comment that below in the comment section. Okay, so let's have a discussion section together. So overall we can study it as easy only or easy to moderate. Then moving on to the reading section. So in reading section the passage one was easy. Sorry, I didn't get more information regarding the question type and also the title of the passage. But the passage 3, the heading was Origin of Language. And that passage was a little bit moderate also. Anyway, the passage 1 was easy only. And in passage 2, it was somewhat moderate level. The questions were somewhat tricky. And moving on to passage 3, it was also in moderate level. But it was not so difficult. We can say it as moderate only. Okay, so anyway, I will update one more video about the answers. That time we will discuss more about the question type and all. Okay, so moving on to the writing task. The task 1 was a table chart. Okay, so again our prediction gone through. It was almost true. Okay, everything as we said early. So if you watch my prediction video means you can see that. Anyway, till now all our predictions gone through by the grace of God. Anyway, moving on to task 2. It was an opinion type essay and I will show you the question here. So it was say to what extent type of question. So you need to be in balance. That means it's better to write about both the sides. So here you can see the question. Some people think it is more important to plant more trees in open areas in towns and cities than provide more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this was the question. And I will show you one model answer to you and we will discuss more about that, how to divide the body paragraph, how you want to write the introduction, conclusion and all. So anyway, you want to start off with the introduction, you know that. So first we want to write a general statement, but it's optional. If you don't have a general statement means you can directly paraphrase your question. So here you can see plants and trees plays an incredible role to maintain our ecosystem. That's my general statement. Then I want to paraphrase the question. According to some people, trees should be planted in the unoccupied areas of major towns and cities. Others insist that it is more important to building residential complexes there. Okay, so that's the paraphrased version. Then I want to write the thesis statement. That means I want to state my opinion. In my opinion, planting trees in the vacant areas of cities is of greater significance than building homes there. So that's my opinion. Then I want to write one outline sentence too. Here in this essay, I will state reasons behind my point of view with examples. Okay, so that's all about the introduction. Then the first body paragraph. First of all, planting trees makes the surrounding cleaner and healthier. So that's the topic sentence. If the empty region are filled with the trees, it adds greenery and scenic beauty to the place. These places will attract small birds and butterflies, which in turn will make it a calm ecosystem in itself. Then moving on to the second point, moreover, so it's better to use proper cohesive devices. Trees add oxygen into the atmosphere through photosynthesis and thus increase the quality of air. The health of the residents will improve by breathing this fresh, non polluted air. Overall, planting more trees keep the environment pure and natural. So it's better to add more examples too. Okay. Then moving on to the second body paragraph about the other side. On the other hand, constructing residential building in all vacant region will cause congestion. That's the topic sentence. Transforming every available land into residential space will lead to the formation of concrete jungles. There will be no space left to plant trees and it will harm the purity of air. Then the example, in many cities such as in Hong Kong, the residents are suffering due to overcrowding of people and more people are shifting to the suburban areas. Hence, filling all empty spot with metal and concrete is a bad decision. So you can add more explanation along with the examples and all. Then after that, if you have additional points, means it's better to add third body paragraph also, but it's not so necessity. You can divide the body paragraph into two. That's enough. Then after that, you can conclude your essay by restating your opinion along with the main points. So, in conclusion, I am of the opinion that, or I opine that, I opine that all the vacant places should be utilized for afforestation. This will help to enrich the area with pure air and oxygen, which in return helps the people to have healthy life. So you can add the call of action to you, whether the government want to take any action towards this particular issue or not, whether they want to take any initiative or they can give awareness to people regarding the importance of ecosystem or the importance to maintain the proper biodiversity. Okay, so you can add the call of action to you at the end. Okay, so that's all about the essay. I hope you understood how you want to arrange the body paragraph and all, and I hope you all written well too. So that's all. So I will be back with the answers for your listening and also reading section if I get all the answers means. So you can have a discussion section under the comment box. And thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications too. Okay, then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So thank you so much and keep on watching this space for more IELTS related videos. And our admissions are open now for next month. So if you are interested to join for our online section means you can contact me via WhatsApp number. I will provide all the details in the description box. So try to check it out. And we already updated the cue cards. Okay, so if you are preparing for your speaking test means go through the cue cards. As you requested, I already updated the selected cue card for January month too. So try to go through that. Today only we released that. So stay tuned for more videos and I will be back. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So thank you so much and stay tuned.